potential difference and current. Also very important one. Potential difference denoted by V, current denoted by I. So in a circuit, if we make the potential difference double, so the current also becomes double. But if the potential difference is half, so current will also be half. And after that, so it is the relation of potential difference and current. After that, next thing I will tell you in this situation, direction of electricity and direction of electron, means relation of direction of electricity to relation of direction of electron. Relation of direction of electricity, relation of direction of electricity to direction of electron. I will explain you this matter on the basis of a dry cell. Suppose it is a dry cell. It is its brass cap. Near brass cap, that is anode, denoted by positive point. Cathode, denoted by negative sign. And after that, suppose it is a bulb that is to connect into circuit. Through a switch, if I make the circuit on, through a switch, if I make the circuit on. So in this situation, it happens that on a node, electrons are exerted. On a node, electrons are exerted and directly supplies into electricity. Electrons are exerted on a node. Electrons are exerted to supply into circuit. So now, so direction of so in this situation it happens that when electron exerts to supply electricity, to supply into circuit the electricity. The relation of direction of electricity to the direction of electron. I will explain you this matter on the basis of a dry cell. Suppose it is a dry cell. In dry cell it happens that it is a brass cap that behaves like anode, and that this metal trunk here is the cathode. So in this situation it happens that from anode electron exert होते हैं जिसके वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई शुरू हो जाती है. तो इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई एनोड से होती है और कैथोड से जाती है, और कैथोड पे इलेक्ट्रॉन रिसीव होते हैं, इसलिए कैथोड पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी बढ़ जाती है. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी बढ़ जाती है जिसकी वजह से इलेक्ट्रॉन पोटेंशियल बढ़ जाती है, और एनोड से इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सर्ट होते हैं इसलिए यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी कम हो जाती है. तो हाई डेंसिटी टू लोअर डेंसिटी इलेक्ट्रॉन की सप्लाई कैथोड से एनोड पे होती है. इलेक्ट्रॉन सप्लाई कैथोड टू एनोड होती है, और इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई एनोड से कैथोड पे होती है. सो वी कैन से दैट direction of electricity is opposite to the direction of electron, or supply of direction of electron is opposite to the direction of electricity. Suppose अब यहाँ पे एक कंडक्टर है, अगर कंडक्टर में इलेक्ट्रॉन का डायरेक्शन ये है तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का डायरेक्शन, अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन का डायरेक्शन ये है तो करंट का डायरेक्शन ये होगा, मींस अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज to the direction of the electron. Next thing, I will tell you one more here, that so on anode electrons are exerted. Due to this electrical supply takes place. एनोड पे जब इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सर्ट होने लगते हैं तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई होने लगती है. ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई सर्किट में बल्ब और स्विच के थ्रू कैथोड पे रिसीव होती है. तो जिसकी वजह से इलेक्ट्रॉन जब एनोड से एक्सर्ट होते हैं तो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी बढ़ जाती है. सॉरी, इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी जब एनोड से इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सर्ट होते हैं तो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी डिक्रीज हो जाती है और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई होने लगता है. और कैथोड पे इलेक्ट्रॉन रिसीव होते हैं इसलिए इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इंक्रीज हो जाती है. तो एनोड पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी डिक्रीज और कैथोड पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इंक्रीज, क्योंकि कैथोड पे इलेक्ट्रॉन रिसीव हो रहे हैं. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन सप्लाई कैथोड से एनोड पे और इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई कैथोड से एनोड पे होती है. सो वी से दैट डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज अपोजिट टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. आफ्टर दैट we will discuss some numerical problem related with potential difference and electricity. Numerical problems related with potential difference and current. So for this directions we will apply two formula. First, V equal to W by Q, first formula, and I equal to Q by T, second formula. First formula is for calculation of potential difference and second formula is for the calculation of current. So, just like for example, there is a question that suppose in a conductor there is a conductor in which charge of 5 coulomb is to transfer through a conductor at the potential difference of 230 volt to 220 volt. So for this calculate work done. One again. In a conductor on the potential of 230 volt to 220 volt, if charges are 5 coulomb, so for transfer into conductor, calculate work done that takes place to transfer charge of 5 coulomb at the potential difference of 230 volt to 220 volt. In this situation, previously try to find out real potential difference. So real potential difference equal to 230 minus 220 equal to 10 volt. Now charge Q equal to 5 coulomb. We have to calculate work done. So according formula V equal to W by Q. So here you saw that potential difference done both Q 5 coulomb, work done we have to calculate. So you will write that 10 equal to W by 5. So for the value of W you will write that 10 into 5, work done equal to 50 joule. Unit is a must. For this we can say that unit is a must. If you in board examination if you will not write unit तो हाफ मार्क्स कटते हैं. इसलिए क्या बोलते हैं कि यूनिट लिखना मस्ट है. जब भी आप कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करिए, कोई कैलकुलेशन करिए तो यूनिट जरूर लिखिए. वन अगेन, see another example, that is the answer. Now see another example. There is another example. How much energy is consumed? How much energy is consumed? How much energy is consumed by 2 coulomb charge? 2 coulomb charge at potential difference of 6 volt. At potential difference of 6 volt. Now, see here conditions. How much energy? As we know that energy is work done. So if it is asked that how much energy is consumed, means how much work done takes place. If it is asked that how much energy is consumed, so it means it is asking that how much work done takes place. So see this here, we have to find out given potential difference equal to 6 volt. Now Q equal to 2 coulomb and work done is to calculate. So because here it is asking energy consumed, so you will write that work done you will calculate here. So now according formula V equal to W by Q. 6 volt equal to W. We have to calculate. Now Q is equal to 2 coulomb. Now because here V equal to 6 volt, W is to calculate and Q is to 2 coulomb. So on this now, for calculation of work done, 6 into 2 is the work done. So work done equal to 12 joule. And as you know that work done proportionally energy, so energy consumed is 12 joule. That. So these are the numerical problems related with potential difference. After that, now we will see some examples, some numerical problems related with current. A1 draws a current of 0.5 ampere for 30 minutes. Calculate amount of electric charge. Calculate amount of electric charge. One again. A bulb draws a current of 0.5 ampere for 30 minutes. So calculate the amount of electric charge. Now given here, given current equal to 0.5 ampere, time equal to 30 minutes, and time is equal to 30 minutes, and now we have to calculate electric charge. We have to calculate Q. So on this matter that you will see now according formula. I equal to Q by T. But before applying this formula, we have to see here that here time is given into minute, and we are using units into SI unit, standard international unit, and time is and according to standard international unit, time is measured into second. Here time is given into minute, so I'm converting into second. So that is equal to 30 into 60. 6 is 18. 1800 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 30 minutes, 30 into 60 equal to 1800 seconds. So now I equal to Q by T. So that I is equal to 0.5 equal to Q upon T. So value of T 0.5 equal to Q by T. T means 1800 seconds. So for the value of Q, that is multiply 0.5 into 1800 equal to Q. 18 5 is 90, 20, and after that 1 digit of equal to Q, means Q equal to 900 coulomb. And that. So for this type of numericals you will be given to solve into examination, and after that this types of numericals you will be given to solve into the example, and after that our next topic we will start next. That is the most important topic and most popular topic of the board examination, that is the Ohm's law. Ohm's law.